Welcome back to the channel, and today we visit the stunning island of Mykonos, followed by specialty dining in Wonderland, and then rounding off the night in 270 with the book.
The world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive!
As you can see, it's a tender boat ride into Mykonos, and once again we're moored in the old port. Today we meet up with the newlyweds. However, they adopted the new port, and so for them it's a tender boat and then a water taxi to get them across to where we are in the old port. Just follow the crowd. It's a 5-minute walk as you stroll around the outside of the harbour. Mykonos is named the Isle of the Winds. This side of the cove is a little bit more sheltered, but as you go around to Little Venice you'll feel the wind there. There's plenty of places to sit, grab a bite and a drink, so don't rush, take your time. Our top tip is not to rush off the cruise ship, as Mykonos doesn't really open up until dinner.
Anyway, your mum did you proud, half a bottle of wine and was legless.
From here you can meander down the little alleyways on the left and find all the little boutiques, or follow the curve round and that'll lead you to Little Venice. Time for a beer and a bite at the veranda bar, and if you're as lucky as we were you might bump into the local resident. Today there's just 3 cruise ships here, however the tight alleyways make you feel a lot more congested than Santorini was. Little Venice can seem quite cramped, however there's quite a few bars and eateries to choose from. Then it's just a short climb up the hill to join the queue for the Instagram shots for the windmills. If you walk round to the next cove you can find more sheltered beaches. Now it's off to meander around the local boutiques. Time to relax, help the local economy and enjoy your beer.
Yeah, give her a nudge to go. What did you do?
And then back to the 3 tender to take us back to the ship. Both times we visited Mykonos we've left around about 3 to half 4. It would be lovely to do an evening stay there. For us now it's another day at sea as we head on to Naples, where we'll go to Capri. Nathan and Shan should have left before us. They're on the Royal Independence, the far ship you can see. Unfortunately there was a medical emergency and so we departed before them. Every time we cruise we at least do one specialty dining, and today we take the world's fussiest eater to the Wonderland. And to her surprise, she really enjoyed it.
How was your day today?
Thank you. Yeah.
Which you have to paint the menu, not with colors.
Yeah.
So all you have to do is dip in the water and then start painting it with
Quite a novel idea this is.
Be your iced water, not to dip in this one. Otherwise your menu will disappear. Good evening, welcome to Wonderland. My name is Ashwin. I'm going to be your junior abbot. So Wonderland is imagination and fantasy.
He's going to
All this here, you're going to get random.
stuff.
Yeah, so we
And
can
then-
just pick it. You
yeah.
can take that one.
The liquid lobster is literally on a spoon.
Right.
And I think
And then we open the smoke, ready? 3 to 100 with the smoke ring over there. Okay?
Thank you.
So it's apple with
So from the element of fire, we have a burn as X. Ready?
the crab cones. Now in the center we have crab meat over here. This one the crab was not willing to go inside. We have the avocado.
Lovely.
Sorry, wasabi on top. And then we have like wasabi.
no, that's fine. Yeah.
So what's that?
If you have one shot of it, it will make you 10 years
Younger.
young. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then
Can you
you
bring me a gallon?
You can dip and enjoy in this scotch bonnet. So this is for you. Just to try, okay? With lobster. Now, since morning I was with my fishing boat. Now I will make it visible, and then after that you have to make it again invisible, okay? But not in imagination way, in reality way, okay? So this one is plate is hot, so be careful. Chocolate brownie. The plate is hot, so be careful.
Thanks, Jen. Thank you.
Which number to say? 3, 2?
One. Oh, you've killed the rabbit.
Kitty. Say bye bye, Kitty. This one.
You're going to have to move your thing.
Super Mario mushroom, okay? Two pink ones with green pepper, pink peppercorn. Red one is with the pistachio and milk, mango yogurt ice cream, apple, not real, okay?
Okay.
Made with raspberry and blueberry mousse, lemon curd and coconut decors inside it, and we have a plain yogurt ice cream.
Lovely.
Inside it is chocolate mousse, peanut butter, and our Sleeping Beauty Queen caramel ice cream. Now we will make a global warming effect. So it will disappear.
Oh my, wow.
Already collapsed.
Once again, make sure you reserve them bookings, and tonight in 270 is the book. Rounding off the night and the crown of the compass to the acoustic set, and the young lad knew all the words to Metallica, Nothing Else Matters. Thanks for watching, and please consider a like and subscribe, it really does help us. And next time we're going to Capri from Naples, and we'll show you how to do it cheaper on your own.